Hello there folks, welcome back to the Chap's Guide. My name is Ash and I am your host on this journey through men's style, self-development and personal grooming. And today you join me in the depths of an English winter. It's about 2 degrees Celsius, so we're just above freezing. It's a really foggy and damp and dreary day, and it really, you can really feel the chill in your bones. And it's when you get to this time of year, you've got to pay special attention to keeping yourself warm, and particularly choosing the accessories which you need to keep the extremities warm. You've got to wear the right socks on your feet, you've got to wear the right gloves on your hands to make sure that they're good enough for the job. Now, whilst my preferred glove of choice, and you've seen me talking about them many times, is an unlined leather glove, I love them for the style and the dexterity that you can still operate your fingers whilst in those gloves. They are quite simply not man enough for the job at this time of year. You need something which has got insulation, which keeps your hands warm, your fingers still capable of being used, and you've got to give it quite some serious thought. Now, if you're in the market for a pair of outstanding gloves, a very good place to start is the top of the pyramid of quality. And today I'm holding a pair of Dent'S gloves. Now, Dent'S gloves have become synonymous with quality, with heritage, and an amazing product. And this pair of Peccary leather gloves we'll see in a moment and we'll talk about, but I think it's important to reflect for a moment on the manufacturer. Now, Dent'S have been around since 1777. There's a lot of sevens there, and that's getting on for 250 years of continuous operation as a quality glove maker. Now, they started their business in the Midlands of England, and they've been on a bit of a journey. Today they're based in Warminster, in the neighbouring county to where I live, county of Wiltshire, and where their factory still sits today, where they make what have become referred to as the finest gloves in the world. Now, the reason why Dent'S have this reputation of being the best glove maker out there is because of the way they treat the manufacturing process. Their gloves are made by hand here in the UK by tradespeople who value the heritage of that manufacturing process. They are part of the heritage. I have been to the Dent'S factory. I visited the Dent'S factory shop. I've been in there, I've spoken to the people who have worked on the glove production line. You can hear the machines running next door. They even gave me the privilege of looking at some of the raw material used in the glove making process. They explained to me that their heritage range is made entirely here in the UK. They do have other ranges which are outsourced manufacture to other parts of the world, but their heritage range are made in England, and they always have been. And the people working in the production of those gloves, they've worked there all their lives. Their parents or mothers or fathers worked there. Their grandparents worked there. They are part of the heritage story of that 250 years. So their interest in the quality, the craftsmanship and the perfection of these gloves is evident when you speak to them and you see the way they approach that job in making what are to them, without doubt, the finest gloves in the world. And that manufacturing process, it's heritage based. It's not all made on mass production machines. They still value the human eye and the human hand in the production process, where a human being oversees every one of the 30 plus stages in the making of a pair of their heritage gloves, right from the choosing of the leather, so that the materials are all perfect, the components are all in the best possible quality they can be. Then they're cut by hand, and they're sewn at certain points by the human hand as well. So that the product you're receiving is not something that's been run off a production line. A human being has lavished attention, experience and skill in the production of that product. Now, as a result of that, Dent'S gloves have been, as I said, identified and revered as the best gloves in the world. They presently hold the royal warrant for the household of the Prince of Wales. Now, of course, we've just had a change of monarch within the last 12 months, so the Prince of Wales they're referring to is now the King. So I dare say that royal warrant will change in due course, but it is by appointment to the royal household. And that's not a new thing. Our late and much missed Queen Elizabeth, wore a pair of Dent'S gloves on her coronation, which had been lavishly, created for her and embroidered. And going back even further in the lineage of the royal family, Queen Victoria, she wore a pair of Dent'S gloves, black gloves, when she was in mourning for her much loved and early death husband, Prince Albert. And she wore those gloves, in that mourning period. So their heritage of royal patronage, sovereigns, and icons of other parts of the world are also present. If we look back onto the silver screen, for instance, even in the modern day, costumiers who are preparing outfits for movie stars and movies in the modern era, as they always have done in the past, they go to the best place they can. So they go to Dent'S. So if you've seen movies in which you see Batman portrayed and Wonder Woman in the recent years, they've been wearing gloves which were commissioned and made by Dent'S. And if you've seen James Bond, okay, I would often say James Bond, I often refer to him as the epitome of the classically stylish man. Of course, he's a literary character, but, the personification of that literary character that we see on the silver screen, James Bond, we always take note of what he wears. And the gloves which you've seen on the hands of Daniel Craig in his iteration of the Bond character, well, they were made by Dent'S. You look through their catalogue, particularly at their heritage collection, and you are looking at the finest gloves in the world. Now, whilst the leather, which is used in the majority of Dent'S leather gloves, comes from a byproduct from the food making process, probably currently the most famous signature glove which Dent'S make are their Peccary leather gloves. Now, I'm holding a pair of Peccary leather gloves here today. I'm sorry to say they're not mine. These gloves belong to a viewer, a new friend, who recently purchased these from the factory, and he allowed me to have a look at them before he starts wearing them. So big up to Jeremy, who's allowed me that privilege. Thank you indeed, sir. And it has been a privilege, because Peccary leather gloves have long been renowned as the absolute pinnacle of gloves that a gentleman would have in his collection. And there's a good reason for that. First of all, what's Peccary leather? That's what we need to know. Well, Peccary leather comes from the peccary animal. And the peccary is a kind of medium-sized pig or a hog-type beast, which is native to Central and South America. So it's something which is quite specific to that part of the world, and it is considered that the best peccary leather comes from Peru, in fact. And the leather used by Dent'S comes from only wild hogs which have been caught in Peru. So you are getting a very niche product. There are very few glove makers in the world who still use peccary leather in the manufacture of their products. So what makes peccary leather so interesting for us gentlemen? Well, when you hold it, you will know straight away this is something special. It doesn't feel like ordinary leather. It has a remarkable soft and supple tactile sense on the hands. It's really, really soft. However, it is incredibly durable. That's one of its greatest qualities. A pair of peccary leather gloves could potentially last an entire lifetime, if they're looked after properly, of course. And of course, they also come in some interesting colours. Now, the colour I'm holding here is kind of a natural, it looks like a yellow colour. It also is available in black, but this is the colour which attracts most attention. It's what most people will recognise as peccary leather. And as well as its very supple, soft, beautiful feel, when you look at the leather itself, you will notice that there are unusual sort of raised hair follicles uniformly spread across the leather. Now, this obviously comes from the donor animal, and you see they grow in sort of 3 hair follicles. So you get this quite distinctive appearance within the leather. And it's quite unusual, but again, it's something which you'll easily recognise when you identify peccary. And yeah, this particular pair I hold is a pair of gloves called the Tiverton. So the Tiverton range from Dent'S is quite special. It is fur lined, rabbit fur lined, and I haven't worn these gloves. They're not mine to wear. I'm not going to put them on fully. That's for the owner to have that pleasure, to be the only person who wears them. But just slipping my hand inside to get the feel of the fur, that rabbit fur, that natural material against your hand, it feels beautiful and luscious and warming. And I can imagine wearing these on a cold day, your hands will feel protected and incredibly smart as well. Yeah, they are really quite a special product. And as ever, when I talk about special luxury products, there's normally a special luxury price. And Dent'S gloves like this are no exception. £399 buys the fur-lined Peccary leather glove as you see here today in my hands. Now that's a lot of money. And I know you're thinking, as I am, you know, I couldn't afford that. It's too much money for a pair of gloves. But you've got to think in terms of the long game. Because when you buy a pair of gloves like this, not only are they going to look fantastic, they're going to look stylish, they're also going to feel great on the hand because they're made of this amazing material, which is incredibly durable. But they're going to last a lifetime too. And the reason I say that is because we know Peccary leather's been around a long time. You know, the Dent'S have been making these gloves for nearly 250 odd years. So they know how to make a glove that stands the test of time. But they also offer a factory renovation service. So if your glove, you know, if it becomes unstitched, if the little buttons wear off or stop working, you can send them back to the factory, and they offer a factory refurbishment. So they'll stitch them up again. They will put a new button in there, a new sort of clip, whatever is needed in the fastening process. So your gloves can live a very long and very fruitful life with you. And of course, let's not forget, the reason why a gentleman makes such an investment is because he is investing in himself. He knows that he is wearing the best gloves that money can buy. They feel great. They look great. They're going to last forever. And when people see you, other quality gentlemen such as yourself, they will recognize those gloves on your hands as Peccary leather gloves. And they will instinctively know that you are a gentleman who appreciates quality, who understands the value of investment in a product that will not only look good today, but will look good and last potentially for more than one generation. You know, your children may be wearing these gloves in 50 years if you look after them, because you've invested well. You've invested in a product which will do the job and do it stylishly. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this conversation today on these Peccary leather gloves. Now, talking to the folks in the factory at Dent'S, I remember them telling me that this particular colour and this particular Peccary leather glove is enormously popular in Japan, where they can't get enough of them. They send the majority of their products over there. So if you are watching this in Japan, let me know in the comments below if you own or would like to own a pair of Dent'S Peccary leather gloves and why you love them. Let me know why they're so popular in Japan. So now I need to pop these in the post and send them back to Jeremy, or onwards to Jeremy, who I'm sure will love them and cut a stylish dash in these in the many years to come. Thanks very much for letting me see them, showcase them to the other viewers here today, and I wish you all very well. Now, if you've enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more material like this, click that red button, subscribe. And if you'd like to practically support the channel, well, of course you can by simply buying me a coffee. And you will find a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page in the show notes below. So until the next time, take care, and I will see you again very soon.